Everything that I do for my business and outside of it is based on technology. SuperNova is the only one that really worked, and I wouldn't be able to do it without SuperNova. So my name is Yahya Pandor. I'm 28 years old and I am a counsellor, both relationships and single counselling I specialise in. And my eye condition primarily is a condition called macular degeneration, but I have a lot of secondary conditions that complicate things. When I first started losing my sight and I knew I needed to find some sort of assistive tech, I gave a few of them a try, but for my specific needs, SuperNova one was the only one that really worked. So I only used it for a couple of days, and once SuperNova sort of worked, we put in the order pretty much straight away. So for anyone that doesn't know what a screen reader does, it reads the text or image descriptions off the screen to me so I can hear what it's saying. What SuperNova means to me is I primarily use it for its screen reader function. So if I need to read emails, write up reports, do client notes, anything like that, I use SuperNova for. And yeah, I use it every single day, pretty much. At home and at work, I'm on my laptop all the time. I'm on my phone all the time. It's just the nature of work and life now, isn't it? So yeah, I am on it constantly.
3 dot, expands around that dot. Blank line. Big column 5/1/23 column 1 row 8 to row 8 column 3.
When I first started, the speech settings were quite low, but if you look at a lot of blind people, visually impaired people, you probably won't even understand what the screen reader is saying because it goes at such a fast speed. And it's great because it means you can digest and process information, I feel, so much quicker than sighted people or anyone else. And I've really managed to tune into that. I would not be able to use a laptop without it, so I would be stuck. It's not like I can write and read what I'm writing. Everything pretty much is technology based now. Everything that I do for my business and outside of it is based on technology, whether it's booking the office space that I use, writing up client notes, keeping up to date with emails, marketing, creating videos, all of that needs a computer. I use a laptop and I wouldn't be able to do it without SuperNova. I've had great use with it, great success with it. It's easy to use, the support's there. I haven't encountered any glitches, which is always helpful. Yeah, I can only recommend it.